In this video, we are asked to solve for x, right? They say solve for x. When you look at this expression, it looks really difficult because here you are solving for the base, which is x, and the exponent, which is x. Ne? So questions like this, ladies and gentlemen, with my experience, I always use logarithms. Ne? Always, if you are solving for x and the exponents are unknowns as well, and it looks difficult, always the strategy that you're going to try to use is logarithms. Ne? Let's discuss the concepts of logs quickly before we attempt this question. So on the side here, I'm sure we know that a log base e to the power x is basically ln x. Ne? Do you see it, ladies and gentlemen? So basically, this guy here, log base, if the base is e of the exponential expression, then it's like you have ln x basically. Do you see it? So always I prefer to use this form, but keeping in mind that the ln or the natural log is basically log base e. All right, sure. Remember, guys, here I have log base ex. I can introduce an a here. So even that side, it means I'll have ln x, and then I can introduce an a there, right? Then remember, one of the rules of logs is that I can multiply the exponent here. It can become a coefficient also there. So we're going to have a log ex. You see, the a multiplies whatever number is here. So there was 1 there. So 1 times a, it's a. And also that side, we're going to have a ln x. All right. And then from there, you can see that, okay, this rule can actually apply there, right? We are going to introduce ln both sides of the equation. So I have a ln x to the power x equals to ln 7 to the power x plus 49. All right. And then I can use this rule now of multiplying by the exponent. You can see that the exponent here is x. So this x will multiply here. So you're going to have x ln x, because here you are left with x. And then here the exponent is x plus 49, right? So I'm going to keep it in bracket. So x plus 49 is my exponent. And then I'm left with ln 7. You see, ladies and gentlemen, the exponents multiplies. They become the coefficients, basically. Right. Perfect. And then now, I'm going to just do a little bit of algebra here. Here, if I have a bracket, I can FOIL, right? So x times ln 7 is going to be x ln 7 plus 49 times ln 7 is going to be 49 ln 7. Right. And then, guys, I'm sure you can see that this guy here is the only guy who doesn't have an x, right? So the way we've been taught to solve for x is to group our x's on one side. So I'm going to have ln x minus this guy, because it's going to the other side. Come x ln 7, which becomes 49 ln 7. And then doing a little bit of algebra here, I can say I have a common factor. So I'm going to take it out. Then in bracket, I'm left with ln x minus ln 7. Right. And then there are some laws of logs that you need to know. We just discussed the first one there. You need to know that if I have log, right, of let's say AB, this is the same as log A plus log B. Right. If I were dividing, I was going to have a minus there. Do you see it? I'm going to just use a different color. If A was divided by B there, this side we are going to have log A. Here is going to be minus log B now. And this applies with ln. Remember, ln is just a log with base E. So basically ln A over B is the same as ln A minus ln B. If it was a multiply here, you're just gonna have a plus there. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that you can see that this part, right? That this part here is basically that part. Do you see it? So you have ln x minus ln 7, you have ln x minus ln 7, you see? So you can write it in this form. So we're going to do that now. All right. So this guy here, the x is still there outside. And then also here we have 49 ln 7. And then I'm sure you can see that, guys, this we can write it as ln x divided by 7. This and that are the same using this rule. And then you have 49 ln 7. And then, guys, now I'm sure that you can see that the x will go with 49. And then you can see that, okay, this part here will go with the 7. Do you see it? The ln will go with the ln. So you can see that, therefore, x equals to what? 49, using this one and that one. Or someone can say, or x over 7 equals to that 7. Therefore, you multiply them by 7, then you get x equals to 49. Right. Then you can easily verify that if you want to. So this side we have 49 to the power 49. That is our left-hand side. Let's verify the right-hand side. We have 7 to the power 49 plus 49, which is basically 7 to the power of 90. Okay, I'll just say 2 into 49. Right. And then this becomes 49. So it's 49 to the power of 49, which is true. And that's it with this video, ladies and gentlemen. Aluta continua. Tango.